Update 1 on travel. There will be no updates on Genevieve. So I might get comments saying this will update on Genevieve. Actually, there will be no pretty short-lived storm. But it is a tropical storm. But what's on the ground will not be able to help me, so I will not do what's on the ground. I will use the CMISS. It's just really, and Mommy, we might have Julio come. Izzo come. Also, 3 storms might come this dry. If not, ouch. We see tropical storm now. It's time to hook out to sea. As it is the only tropical storm opposite what Genevieve's Arthurian. Here's Heran, and that's not Heran. That's an inverse. What's he going to look at Heran at the moment? You can see how it's trying to get really, might be a very bit of a short-lived storm, but you can see how much it tried to get really on close enough to the Mexican coast to cause some rain, drying all this way. Very light drying might actually keep it from in. This is a nice one update, and this is Heran. You can see how that one probably why it would be still. I think they're still calling it pressure because it's still very weak. If only my friend tropical storm might not even intensify, but you can see how it's, you might get a little bit of effect as it's still trying to get used to this. Right now it's like, what? I just intensified. So yeah, I might produce a little bit of rain, probably because this is expanding, but we're expecting the main form of it, which will be going to be rotating from. This is the main sense called a rotation. That was going to push the storm out. See, unless a wave thing hooks it immediately in land. But the wave that moving it might be a little bit disorganized. Hi. I can pretty much see in the end. However, the rain is just down to the south of it. But Heran might just be the next hurricane when it gets very few. Only Encyclopedia has it. Stay up to date on it. Around Mexico, you might get some rain. Bye. Goodbye.